folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 opened higher today and closed above the 80MA and the mid channel. This is a positive move. Technicals are improving. It needs to remain above the mid channel and the 80MA. And any pullback, the 50 simple moving average is a must hold support. So we got 660, 50 SMA below that 647. Resistance is the all-time high 674-ish. And then with the next target, if he gets a breakthrough, 680 and 688 on the SPY. CORZ. This one is a new swing initiated today. Is a breakout all-time high. Spot dark pool activities, large amount over the past 3 or 4 days, the order of 10 million shares. The first target is 22, above that 24 and 26. Support 19 and 18. HIMS is on the move, breaking out above this rectangular formation. A few days. Okay. And 66, 73, and 81 are the targets. Support 60 and the 80 is volatile. IRBT. Spotted intraday in the trading room, popped the 200 simple moving average, was discussed, and went to 6, did a pullback. Big volume, 25 million traded shares, 6, 7, 9, and 1050 are the targets. Support the 80 millions and for 80. SMR, this one is a swing, a breakout above this recent high and taking out or trying to this top through there, stall today. At one point, accelerated to 55 and change, but then did a pullback. It closed well. I like the close. I like the volume. And I'm looking for 60, 66, and 73. Try to catch up on Oklo massive move over the past several weeks. Support is 50 and 48. We keep it loose. Well, it's volatile.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.